Hey everyone, would you like to play a game with me? This one is a listening game. I have 10 cups that are just like this. My friend likes to eat yogurt and she saved them for me. And this is only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But I have some other ones here where you can't see them because they don't fit up here. So I put different things in each of the containers. So in here, I put some of Maddie's dog food. In this one, whoops, can you tell what's in there? Pasta. It's called penne pasta, to be more specific. So there's my pasta. Do you see what I have in this one? Whoa. Do you know what that is that makes them fall out? That's called gravity. We have gravity on Earth, which it means when I drop something, it makes it fall down. So when I'm holding these cups like this, and I'm not careful, the stuff is spilling out because of gravity. But anyway, this one has pennies in it. I don't know if any of you will know what these are. These are little, they're like a grain called lentils. Lentils. I have some of my breakfast cereal in there, Honey Bunches of Oats, and I think that's it. So I have 2 with cereal, 2 with dog food, 2 with pasta, 2 with pennies, and 2 with lentils. And you're gonna have to play a matching game with the sounds. So let's try the first one, okay? The first one I'm going to use is the lentils. And listen to what it sounds like when I shake the lentils. Okay, now I'm going to put 2 containers up here. And I have put symbols on the containers so that you can figure out which one you think. Okay, so listen to the lentils again. All right, now which one of these do you think has lentils in it? Can you tell? Let me do the lentils again. Now, is it the one with the star? Or the one with the rectangle? Can you tell? The one with the star, right? That has the lentils, and the one I was shaking had the lentils in it. Can you guess what's inside the one with the black rectangle? Oh, yeah, all right, I'll tell you. The pennies. Okay, so now let's see. I will do pasta. And I'm going to try to make it a little trickier this time. I'll try this one and this one. So you have to try to figure out which one of these has the pasta in it. This is what pasta sounds like. Now, this one has a flower and this one has a purple square. So listen to the pasta. Is it this one? Or that one? What do you think? Let's do it again. Pasta? Is it this one? Or this one? Did you say the purple square? If you did, you're right. All right, let's see. All right, I'm gonna put this one up here and this one up here. And I'm gonna turn this one. This one has a, you know that shape? Triangle. And it's a red one, right? And this one has a smiley face. Okay, so this one is what I want you to try to guess This is the dog food. Ready? Okay, which one of these has the dog food in it? Is it this one? Or is it this one? Which one do you think? Let me do the dog food again. Which one? The smiley face? Or the triangle? Did you guess the smiley face? If you did, you were right. I think that'll be the end. Well, let me do one hard one, okay? Let me do this. So that one is heart. And I will do a green circle. And I will do, this is going to be hard, I think, an orange oval, okay? So you have to match this sound. Ready? Which one matches this sound? Do you know? Well, first let me tell you that this one is the lentils, okay? This one, which one did you pick? Did you pick this one, the one with the heart? That's right, they both have lentils in them. These two did not match. That was the pasta and the dog food. I hope you had fun with this matching game, the sound matching game. You really had to use your ears, didn't you? All right, have a good day.